Hi there folks, Elaine here with WTI. Would you like to level up your video creating? Well, I have with PILSAMAS wireless lavalier microphone set. I just can't live without this. Let me show you why. So I'm outside and there is a train going by. The wind is blowing really hard and cars going by and lots of birds. But I'm going to take a walk and show you how far this great mic is going to transmit my voice very clearly. And here I am, amazing clarity, and I so appreciate having a great mic for video creating. So life goes on even if you're video creating, and that's why I love this mic, because let me show you what the noises are here. That's my dehumidifier raging away. Another feature that I love is this carrying case that has the two mics and your receiver that you plug into your iPhone. I love that it's really, really light and I can take it wherever I want. And I can immediately set up and start recording. I have not had to recharge the case and I've been using this for quite a while now. I love it. I highly recommend it. And that's just my point of view.